Ever wonder what you wish you know before buying a home in the Chicagoland area? Many homeowners in Chicago and its suburbs often find themselves saying, if only I'd known what earlier. Today we're going to dive into the top 5 homeowner things that they wish they knew before purchasing their dream home in Chicago and the suburbs. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland area and beyond. With years of experience helping buyers and sellers navigate the real estate market, I'm here to share insights that can make your home buying journey smoother and more informed. Let's get started. Chicago has some of the highest property taxes in the nation. Before buying, it's crucial to understand how property taxes can impact your monthly budget. Research the specific tax rate for the different neighborhoods, like for example, Lakeview, Hyde Park, or even in the suburbs like Evanston, Oak Park. Don't let the unexpected tax bills catch you off guard. And throughout, the home inspection is a must. Older homes, particularly in historic neighborhoods like Logan Square or Beverly, can have a hidden issues such as outdated plumbing or electrical systems. Investing in a detailed home inspection can save you thousands of dollars in repair costs down the line. Chicago weather can be unpredictable. From harsh winters with heavy snows to hot and humid summers, your home needs to be well prepared for all seasons. Ensure that your potential new home has a good HVAC system and it's properly insulated. This can help you avoid costly utility bills and uncomfortable living conditions. Chicago is known for its diverse neighborhoods. In fact, 77 neighborhoods we have in Chicago with its own unique vibe and community feel. Whether you're considering the vibrant downtown life of the Loop or a quieter family-friendly suburbs like Naperville or Schaumburg. Make sure you research commute times, local amenities, and community events. Your daily routine and quality of life can greatly depend on those factors. Stay informed about future development plans in the area, new construction projects, road expansions, or zoning changes that can significantly affect your property's value and living experience. Websites like the City of Chicago Planning and Development page can value insights on what's coming up in your prospect neighborhood. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments that you'll ever make, and having the right information can make all the difference in the world. If you have any questions or need a personalized advice on buying a home in Chicago or in the suburbs, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm here to help you find your perfect home all over Chicago. And for a buyer's consultation, call me 773-550-4846. And don't forget to comment, share, and like our videos. Follow us on social media. And if you find this educational video very informative, please feel free to share with friends and family.